It's your girl Shivangi, and in today's episode, surprise, we are doing a haul video. And I haven't done a haul video and a street shopping video in a really long time, I think 2 years. So since I'm in Bombay and since I haven't shopped in a really long time, I decided चलो भाई Sunday है, Bandra है, मौका है, कर लेते हैं एक haul video. And the usual 2000 rupees, but 30 minutes की जगह आज हम 45 minute का challenge रख रहे हैं, because I personally feel like my skills on shopping are rusted, especially street shopping. So it's gonna be a challenge, you guys. Don't judge me if I end up paying more. मुझे आजकल जल्दी दया आ जाती है bargaining करने में. But come follow me and let's see how it goes. Linking Road Bandra literally has my heart when it comes to fashion shopping, and especially street shopping in Bombay. I mean, the place itself is so immense and there's so much to offer. Every bylane and every lane of Bandra, especially Linking Road Bandra, has so much to offer. From footwear to menswear to active sportswear to kidswear to accessories to bags. This place has it all, and this place definitely has my heart. Pretty slip-ons and printed chappals like these start from literally just 120 rupees and go up till whatever price you want to pay. Quick tip: try going in the mornings and not afternoons, because it tends to get more crowded in the afternoons. And of course, avoid holidays and public holidays, because those are days when the entire market is flooded with people. If you really want to get a good deal or a good bargain, you might want to go in the early hours when people are actually looking for their boni, or what they say is the first sale of the day, and that makes it easier for you to kind of pull the price down. To be honest, prices in Hill Road and Linking Road Bandra are not like exorbitant, but just to be on the safer side, there might be times you might feel that you're being charged extra by the shopkeeper. In situations like that, just go half price. If somebody is saying something's for 2000, say 1000, and then maybe bring it up to 1200, 1300, and you'll realize that the product is actually worth only that much. 8 years in Bombay, and all these years I used to think Linking Road is all about women's wear and kids wear fashion. And well, there is a little bit of menswear maybe, but not so much. To my surprise and great astonishment, I bumped into this place and landed up in this lane, which is a complete treasure for menswear. And there's so much that they have to offer, from shirts to t-shirts to pants to everything, from plaid to printed t-shirts to like graphics, Marvel Comics, DC, you name it, and these guys had it all. Just come to this amazing place, which is like a full menswear market here. This is some place I've never explored. I used to think Linking Road is all about women's wear fashion, but this is surprising. Let's just quickly check what the price range is so that I can be very आपकी starting price क्या है? 350 के shorts हैं, and कहाँ तक prices जाते हैं? 780 और t-shirts 250 starting. And guys, that's actually quite beautiful, and it's got some really nice fabrics. Yeah, and it's all fashionable. And वो Being Human का copy है क्या? कितने का है? Being Human for 450. Oh my God, that's such a steep. मैं देख सकती हूँ. I should never get to know this. Oh, you've got the label also. It's good quality fabric. We've got 10 colors. आपकी shop number क्या है? Shop number 9. आपका नाम क्या है? Adil. So shop number 9, Adil Bhai, has all these women t-shirts here that are priced at $450. They even have the branding, if you want to see them, which is super cool, guys. So if you are coming for shopping and you want to pick something for your boyfriends and your Brothers. You can shop from here. Thank you so much, Avinay. Seeing so many things, so many styles, designs, patterns, products can get a little overwhelming. Mind you, I did get a little tired and exhausted after a point. But to be on the safer side and to ensure that you do not splurge, carry a list with you of things you might actually need. Be it sunglasses, be it clothes, be it footwear, make sure you have a list of things you think you might want in your wardrobe. This way, you ensure that you actually buy only things you require, and then maybe if you're left with any cash, splurge a little here and there.
So I'm picking this bag which is for 600 rupees, and look at all the options that you have here. You have like the tan, you have a mint, they have a silver, black and also gold. Only for 600 bucks. This is so good for everyday wear when you're carrying like a lot of Marlin material with you. It's a great tote. So good.
Another thing that you might actually find in abundance here are first copy of branded watches. Yes, you heard me right. Brands like Michael Kors and Daniel Wellington have their first copies here, or you can call it like actually basically cheap copies here in replicas, and you find them for like 150, 200, 300, 500 rupees max.
So I couldn't find these flip-flops at the other store. This guy has it.
ओके मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद कमरुद्दीन
Mohammed
फैशन वर्ल्ड
Fashion World से I'm picking these flip-flops. If you guys are coming and picking, आप मेरा नाम बताओगे तो कुछ डिस्काउंट दोगे?
हाँ
तो मेरा नाम बताना तो भाई आपको डिस्काउंट देंगे 250
नहीं
bucks.
पूरे अंदर तक की डिस्काउंट मिलेगा
अरे awesome. तो anything that you want to pick from here, they'll give you a discount. शिवांगी नाम बताएंगे आपको.
शिवांगी
शिवांगी.
माय ब्रदर कम
Thank you so much.
दिस माय ब्रो
Okay, bye. So I've already spent 950 rupees. I have spent 600 on this bag. I've spent 100 rupees on the two rings that I paid, which is 700 and 250 on the chappals. We still have 1050 rupees, but मुझे नहीं पता उन पैसों का मैं क्या करूँ because time is ticking, and yeah, we'll quickly run and find things now.
Almost a year and a half ago, during Diwali last year, I remember trying to shop in Hill Road and Linking Road to make a haul video, and I was trying to figure out Indian wear kurtis that I could find for my haul video, and there was not a single shop that I could find that actually had a lot of good designs. But to my surprise, this lane was amazing, and there has been an upgrade in Linking Road because now there were so many stores and shops that were selling Indian wear, and I was so happy, and I ended up picking something which you will see really soon.
Okay guys, 30 minutes have been long up, तो वो तो भैया ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया. I think I've lost track of time, and also मुझे लग रहा है मेरी street shopping skills are a little rusted, but I ended up picking some really good stuff, and all in 2050 or 2150. तुम्हें तो पता ही है मेरी मैथ्स कैसी है, but it's not a bad deal after all. 2000 exceed कर दिया, थोड़ा सा budget exceed कर दिया, but I got some really good finds for which I'm really excited. And Linking Road has gone for an upgrade. यार बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिल रही हैं यहाँ पे market में, and I have all the names listed in the description box below, and also ways you can reach these particular places. So if you're near around this area, you should definitely come. If you're new to Bombay, you should definitely come.